In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find recently used formulas in Excel. This is a quick way to grab the functions you use most without digging through long lists or trying to remember exact names. Whether you're totaling sales, averaging scores, or looking up values, this little shortcut can shave minutes off every task. Start by looking at the ribbon at the top of your Excel window. That's the strip of tabs and buttons running across the screen. Navigate to the Formulas tab. This tab is home to Excel's function tools, so it's the natural place for anything related to calculations. If your window is narrow, some items might collapse into smaller buttons. Expanding the window or maximizing it can make the options easier to see. On both Windows and Mac, the Formulas tab is labeled the same, so you should feel right at home regardless of your device. Once you're on the Formulas tab, find the option labeled Recently Used. It lives in the Function Library group, alongside categories like Financial, Logical, Text, and more. Click Recently Used, and you'll see a drop-down list of functions that you've applied most recently in this workbook. Think of it as your personal shortlist. Sum, average, VLOOKUP, if, and whatever else you've been working with will appear here, automatically updated as you work. Here's what happens next. When you choose a function from this recently used list, Excel places that function into the currently selected cell and opens the Function Arguments dialog, or highlights the arguments in the formula bar, depending on your settings. From there, you just supply the ranges or values the function needs and confirm to complete it. If you prefer, you can click in the worksheet to select ranges while the dialog is open, which helps avoid typing errors. A quick tip for accuracy: select the cell where you want the result before you open the recently used list. That way, the function lands exactly where you expect. Also keep in mind that the recently used menu is context-free. It shows functions you've used regardless of category, so it's excellent for jumping back into a workflow you paused earlier. If you don't see a function you're expecting, it usually means you haven't used it recently in this workbook. The full function library on the same tab has every category, and once you use a function, it will start appearing in your recent list automatically. And that's all there is to it. Open the Formulas tab, use Recently Used, pick your function, and fill in the details. It's simple, consistent, and a great way to keep your momentum while building spreadsheets.